And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate social media and ad creatives with Canva AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate social media ad creatives with Canva AI, simply go to Canva. Once you have opened your Canva app or website, you can simply go in the search bar and type in social media ad creative. Once you've searched this, you can get different templates right over there. So you can simply select any of the template you wish to, and once you select it, you can customize it according to your need. This will help you generate social media ad creatives with Canva AI. Otherwise, you can also have the freedom or liberty to simply go at home and simply use your own ideas and methods to create your brand specific social media ad creative. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.